officials, and all members of the Real Estate Brokers Association of the Philippines. A pleasant afternoon po sa ating lahat. As you know, according to Republic Act 10121 or the Philippine Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Act of 2010, the Office of Civil Defense, which I represent, serves as the National Secretariat and implementing arm of the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, which endeavors to reduce the vulnerabilities and risks of hazards, as well as the consequences of disasters. We do this through public education and training. That is why we are very happy that our stakeholders and partners such as the REBAP is very active in advocating disaster preparedness, as proven by its coming up with this webinar. And you know, when Typhoon Odette struck the country on December 16 last year, a total of 2,049,424 damaged houses were reported in Mimaropa, Region 6, Region 7, Region 8, Region 9, Region 10, 11, 12, Caraga, and Barm, with an estimated 63,365,818 pesos worth of total damage. Because the safety of your clients is important to you, apart from the value of the property, as someone who is working in real estate, you should be aware of the hazards and their consequences in the location of properties you offer to your clients. Also, by having the basic foundation in disaster risk reduction and management, you can champion safety and provide climate and disaster resilient projects ideas that can also benefit both you and your whole industry in general. Later, you will be listening to the presentations of my colleagues from the Capacity Building and Training Service. Mr. Raffy Lucas will discuss to you the Philippine DRRM system, and Ms. Ara Cabaneros will tell you more about disaster preparedness. I hope that at the end of this webinar, you will all have a basic understanding of how to better identify and understand risks and assess the potential impact and scope of a disaster. And more importantly, know what to do to become more prepared. This is done not just for you to answer your customers' questions, but also to protect them from future harm. I also hope that what you will learn here will not just end here in this webinar, but that you also share this advocacy to people around you, like your families, groups, and communities. To our friends from the Real Estate Brokers Association of the Philippines, let us work together towards a disaster resilient nation. Thank you very much.